Coming up, the magic of Scala.
You're watching YBL TV.
We're trying to create digital experiences for our customers all over the world. We have the lift and learn. When you take one bottle, you see all the information about it. You can take the other bottle, and you can also see the information about that bottle and do comparisons. It's not anymore about just coming to the store and not participate with the retailer. It's about me interacting with the brands and with the things in the store.
What kind of response are you getting?
Scala is a company with more than 27 years in the market. We have offices in Europe, the United States, and we have customers all over the world with our solutions.